Hi, my name is Dr. Sylvestre. I'm a board-certified veterinary surgeon with Focus and Flourish. Watch this video as I demonstrate how to apply an Ehmer Sling. When applying an Ehmer Sling, I like to just use the white adhesive tape. Now I've picked 2 inches for this patient. Might be a bit big, but I think it'll suit it better than the 1 inch. I'm starting with just placing the metatarsals within a loop of the tape. So I created a loop. Notice I didn't wrap the tape around the metatarsals, but just created a loop. And this will prevent the bandage from getting tight around the metatarsals and causing the toes to swell. The next step is to move with the sticky side of the tape medial to the limb and to bring the Hock and Stifle into flexion. By doing that, you're also going to bring the hip into flexion. The next thing I'm going to do is what I'm doing now is I'm pulling the skin down over the stifle. All that excessive skin that dogs tend to have, I'm pulling it over the stifle so it doesn't all the skin and the bandage material slide down over the stifle. I've put a twist in the tape, so I now have the sticky side of the tape up against the limb again. And I'm just going to go around the metatarsals one more time, or just over the metatarsals, I should say, and back medial into the groin. For more in-depth information on bandaging, follow the link below to access our free on-demand workshop called Bandaging, Form, Function, and Follow-Through. It's free. You always, whenever you place a bandage up into the groin area, you want to be as high into the groin as possible. You want to keep it comfortable. And you can see that my choice of a 2-inch tape did make it a little bit, it's a little bit tricky because the tape is wide and just wants to fold on itself, but still very manageable. I'd rather work with the tape that's a bit wider than too narrow because it offers better support. It's really preferable to apply the sling to a leg that's already shaved, but it doesn't have to be. This one happens to be shaved, but oftentimes if you're just popping a hip back into place, the leg won't be shaved. And so you just need to deal with all the hair. Now, in most small dogs, I find wrapping the tape around the limb a couple of times to be sufficient for support. And I'm going to just finish it up, bring it back up to the top and finish my wrapping there. In a bigger dog, I might do a couple of more wraps, but really not more than 3 or 4 altogether. And that's it. We have flexion in the stifle, flexion in the hock, with a bit of inward rotation to the stifle and outward rotation to the hock, which helps to keep the femoral head in deep into the acetabulum. If you want more information like this, join our community at focusandflourish.com and we'll send more practical guidance straight to your inbox.